Hi, well, some of you will know, or some of you who know me already with the channel, therapy channel. This is the Vespa that I bought. Been here on a year ago, I think. So I bought her from the auctions. My original intention was to do it up, get it back on the road, get it roaded and just use it for myself. However, through illness and everything else, I've just not had the time to do it, which is a shame. However, I've decided I think I'll sell it. So, for anybody that's interested in it, let me tell you a wee bit about it. It's a 2009 and it's done, was it 7,000? Oh, let me have a wee look. Keys in the back. Oh. See if it'll start. Oh, oh, switch off, switch is off. Is it? Ah. Yeah, so it's done 9,487, which isn't too bad really. For a scooter, it's hardly been used anyway. I ended up at the auctions, had some damage to it, so I fixed it. Like I say, I was going to put it on the road, but I haven't. So I'm going to sell it, but I'll let you see what I've done to it, and it'll give you an idea of what's actually up for sale. So the bodywork was the worst thing. I had scrapes on the front bar. This badge was worn away, so I put a new badge on it. This side was okay. This side was bashed in here. So what I've done was I buffed it all down, sanded it, painted it. It's not 100% perfect, but for what it is, it's just quite good. The top case, it's got wee scratches here. It's needing somebody with a fine brush. I might do it myself, just to fill in these wee scratchy bits, and she'll look quite good. So what else have I done to it? So to start off with, I sorted the lights. None of the lights were working, so I've put new bulbs in it, and as you can see when you put the ignition on, yay, she works. I've even got a wee blue bulb in the light here. All the indicators and everything work. Now, the front tyre was okay in this, it was almost like new. I've put new brake pads in it, I've cleaned up the calipers. See, it's got braided cable line. I've bled the whole system, so the brakes are spot on. Let's go and have a look at the back. So here's the back one, back caliper. It's all bled, new pads, bled, it's all good. It just needs a good drive. It's nice and clean in here as well, which is good. Yeah. You go around here, you've got the exhaust system. The exhaust had a wee bit of rust on it, but I buffed it all down with wire brush, and I used heat resistant paint on here. So it's all painted with heat resistant paint, and there's wee scrapey bits here, but it's nothing. You have a look under the engine. I wire brushed all the engine as well to bring it up like new, which has made a big difference. And as I said, you know, I filled all this in. It's got the rubber mat on it. I just charged up the battery this morning. Yeah, so she looks not too bad. Let's see what else I've done. So if we open up the back seat, take this box out, I'm going to give that a clean. You can see the engine bay down there. As you see, I cleaned it all up. It's a bit dusty now, but however, everything's spotless. Everything works. That's polished. That was when I was buffing the thing. But yeah, that's all good. It needs petrol lights on. Now the ignition, there was no keys came with this bike. So what I did was I sent the module, this bit, away to a chap called Wes, who's on the Melbourne Vespa forum. Excuse the hair, needing a haircut. And what he did was he recoded it with new keys. So I've got a blue key and a brown key. but it's worked perfectly. He also gave me a lock with new keys for the back because I couldn't get the back open, and now I can. I've put a new barrel in the lock, so I've got 2 keys for that, and as I say, the brown key and the blue key, and that's all that. The engine has been serviced. It's got a new air filter in it, it's got new oil filter. It's also got a new spark plug in it, as well as oil and filter and everything else. What else I did was a new back tyre on the back when I did the brakes, and I rubbed down the engine, took all these panels off here and this off, and I put new belt on it, I put new rollers in it, so everything's been done in there. It's all ready to go for another, well, for a lot of miles, I would think. But yeah, she's no bad. I've spent quite a bit of time and money on it, so it's going to be a good buy for somebody. So I'll put hang on, I need 2 hands to do this. What's wrong with it? There we go. Trying to put there's a button you press for lifting the seat up, but it's like electronic. I think this goes in that way. So you've got a big area in here for putting stuff on. That's it locked, so your fuel cap's under the seat, so nobody can get into that. This is the new key and the new barrel in here to open the back. Doing it with one hand. So there you go, there's plenty of room in there. It's a bit dusty. Now, one of the other things I did with this when I got it was the seat was all ripped, and this was ripped. It was a sort of, I don't know, a sort of fawney brown colour, and it looked really terrible. So what I did was took the seat off, took the pad off the box, took it into the house, and me and my wife, well, mostly my wife, she got new vinyl, recovered the seat, recovered the backrest on the back box, and we did it black instead of that horrible brown, and I must say she does look good. So yeah, so that's up for sale now, so if anybody's interested in that. Wee things that's needing done, a couple of wee touch-ups here and there. There's a wee scuff mark on the front mudguard, you know, wee scuff mark here, but they're nothing, you know. These are just cosmetic. So if anybody's interested, yep. It's got a clean title, it's not registered, it's not been stolen, there's no money due on it, so it's all clear for anybody that wants to buy it. All I have to do is take it away, do a roadie, and then register it in their name, and that's it, done. So if you fancy a Vespa, yeah, if you fancy a Vespa, then she's all yours. Side stand works as well. Anyway, see you later. Ta-da! There you go. See you all later.